Hey guys, let's clean my room together. So let's get right to it. Okay, so here I have this station that's already clean. So we're not gonna mess with that. I actually painted this because there was a bunch of stains, and this hard thing wasn't looking good. But so far that's clean. We got a big dirty mess right there. We gotta clean. And yeah, let's get to it. And you might be wondering, girl, do you have any pets? Yeah, I do. I have a sugar glider, a cat, and a dog. I don't know if I introduced my cat before. I think I have. Or maybe I haven't. Because my old account, I have 13 subscribers. Now I only have 2, unfortunately. Got deleted out of this world. Boom! So now I have a new account. And not many people know me. So please, at least help me reach it to 50 subscribers at least. Anyway, guys, let's continue. I'm going to start off with, this section here. And then we'll move on, there. Don't mind that baby doll right there. But anyway, so set you guys right here while I clean up a bit. And yeah. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Okay, so we have these glasses that are not even mine. I'm a nerd. Aren't these my sisters? Why are my sister's glasses in my room? Okay, it's just okay. And then we have, okay. A pair of scissors. Okay, average. And we have this fidget. I don't know why it's not my fidget box, but it's a fidget. Okay, and then we have a wire. Okay. We have this pen. Does this even work? It worked. I mean, I don't think you can see, but it actually works, but barely. Anyway, next up, these are my glasses, okay? I'm so cool, right? Anyway, these are my glasses. And, this is my cat's bow. No, this is actually my cat's bow. Hello? What the fudge is it? Oh, okay. It's a bunch of Barbie toys. We have this, man, I remember getting this from a chocolate egg. So, yeah. We have this, golden microphone. It's really cute. We have this, Olympics Barbie LOL trophy. We have this unicorn. Oh, there you go. And we also have this gummy bear. Oh, I showed you its back. This gummy bear. Look how cute his face is. We also have this shell. So yeah. Oh, and also I didn't show you the gummy bear fully. So there you go. We have a shell. Oh, we have another gummy bear. Remember, this fell from my bracelet, so I just threw it in here. I don't know why. It's a charm. That's so cute. Anyway, I'll try to empty most of the stuff out, and then I'll come back to you guys. So 1 second. So guys, I emptied out a couple of most of the stuff, and I found my sister's old watch, and she's so much older than me. She's 16, by the way. And I found nail polish. Is this expired? I want to see if it's dry. It's so hot. Oh God. Ew! It's definitely not dried. But it's definitely expired. Ew. It smells terrible. Anyway, we're just putting that there. But to be honest, I might just come back here later. Let's go clean up the mirror. yeah, let's just go do that. So these are the stuff we need. So guys, these are the stuff I got. I got this like thing. It's like where you grab a piece and you start wiping the mirrors with. And I also have this. It's for the mirrors. So let's get right to it. Also, in order to clean up the mirrors, I have to hold the phone like this because clearly it won't like go backwards like this. So great. Anyway, got this pretty.